Sneak peek at this weekend's video. We're going to focus more on guns and home defense. This gun was my dad's. We hunted many small game with it. It's a Browning Auto 5 in vector, meaning it has changeable chokes. I'm sure we shot at least 1 or 2 deer with this thing. I put the zip ties on here in 2004 when he passed away. It's been 16 years. Browning makes shotguns, rifles, and pistols. So it's time to get this thing back out. We'll be at the Mo Silva gun range this weekend, shooting the Browning Auto 5. I'm not sure if this is one of the ones that was made in Japan. It is made in Japan. Look at that. So he probably bought this thing in 1976, 74, 76, 78. Somewhere around that timeline. Alright, look for the gun video coming out this weekend, guys. Mo Silva, checking out June 4th, 2020.